Well, convicted killers Dellen Millard and Mark Smich back in a courtroom looking to redo their murder trials. This as both look at a much reduced ineligibility to seek parole. 7 years after Dellen Millard and Mark Smich were found guilty in the murders of Tim Bosma, Laura Babcock, and in the case of Millard, his father, Wayne Millard, both men are in a legal battle to redo the entire trial.
If there is a new trial, everything starts afresh. It's literally a new trial, no different than before, but obviously knowing what worked and didn't before. Millard, I think, has very low chances at his appeal. Smich has, I think, a better chance than Millard's low chance, but it is still very hard to succeed at the Court of Appeal in overturning a jury verdict, particularly when a jury spoke so forcefully.
Millard, who is representing himself, couldn't connect to the internet through his prison. In turn, Mark Smich's representation presented why their client shouldn't have been charged with murder in the first place, pointing to his actions after the murders took place, particularly this rap video.
No question, I'm killing you in possession.
One with regard to the rap lyrics is that they were used against them. They were sort of flights of fancy. They played too much of a role in the judge's charge, the jury's deliberation, and he was smeared by those rap lyrics. The other part of the Smich appeal, which is an interesting one, is I was guilt by association by being linked to and connected to Millard, because the taint on him was much stronger than the taint on me. I went down with his ship.
While criminal lawyer Ari Goldkind thinks it'll be difficult for both murderers to get new trials, they are facing much shorter time periods before they are eligible for parole. Goldkind explains it's due to a recent decision by Canada's highest court.
The Harper government many years ago said, look, you killed 2, 3, 4, 5 people. We have to recognize every life as potentially worth up to 25 years of further or consecutive parole and eligibility. The Supreme Court unanimously said, nope, that's cruel and unusual. Every inmate should have hope.
Goldkind adds that while parole ineligibility has been reduced drastically for Dellen Millard and Mark Smich, it still doesn't mean they'll ever actually get out of prison. But the families of the victims could be re-traumatized during every parole hearing, which could now happen more frequently.